Tom lived in a small village. He was poor. He had no house, no money, and no family. But he was kind. Every day, he helped people in the village. One cold morning, Tom walked into the forest to find wood. He needed wood to make a fire. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice.
Help me, please.
Tom looked around. He saw an old man on the ground. The man's foot was hurt. Tom ran to him.
Are you okay, sir?
The old man smiled.
You are kind. Please help me stand.
Tom helped the man. He gave him water and a little bread. The old man said,
You helped me without asking for anything, so I will give you a gift.
He gave Tom a small, shiny cup. Tom looked confused.
A cup?
Yes,
Said the old man.
but it is special. Every time you drink water from this cup, you get what your heart truly needs.
Then the old man disappeared. Tom didn't believe it.
It's just a cup.
He said. But he was thirsty, so he filled the cup with river water and drank. Suddenly new clothes appeared on his body. His shoes were new too. He tried again. He drank water, and a basket of food appeared beside him. Tom was surprised and happy.
This really is magic.
He went back to the village. He shared the food with everyone. He gave clothes to children. He built small houses for poor families. The villagers loved Tom. They called him the kind hero. One day, the king heard about Tom and his magic cup.
A magic cup?
The king said.
I want it.
He sent his soldiers to bring Tom to the palace. Tom came, smiling.
Hello, Your Majesty.
The king smiled back, but his smile was fake.
Give me your cup.
Tom said.
This cup helps people in need. Do you need something, Your Majesty?
The king got angry.
I am the king. I want the cup.
Tom looked sad.
This cup only works for kind hearts.
The king didn't listen. He took the cup and tried to drink from it. He waited. Nothing happened. He drank again. Still nothing.
No food? No gold?
The king shouted. He threw the cup to the ground. The cup did not break. It rolled to Tom's feet. Tom picked it up and said,
It gives what the heart truly needs. You already have everything, but you are not happy.
The king sat down. He was quiet. The next day, the king called Tom again.
You were right.
The king said,
I have many things, but I'm not happy. I want to learn kindness. Will you help me?
Tom smiled.
Of course.
So Tom stayed in the palace. He helped the king and taught him how to care for others. Soon, the kingdom became a better place. The people were happy. The king changed. Years later, the king said,
Tom, you are not just a kind man. You are a true leader. Will you marry my daughter Anna and be the next king?
Tom looked at Princess Anna. She smiled. He said,
Yes, but only if we use the magic cup to help everyone.
They ruled the land with kindness. And the magic cup? It never ran out. End of the story. Thank you for watching.